got to go together. That's good.
Okay, you guys ready? What day number is this?
Number 2.
Actually, day 8.
Oh, yeah. 8, but it says...
Close.
Okay, here we go. You ready, Ben? Okay, here you go. Here you go. Here, I'll hold this.
What?
And then I'll hold it.
What? What?
Open it up.
Mine is the same thing as Leah's.
Oh, cool. Do you know what those are?
No.
You take it off and then you paddle it.
Oh. We had one of these before, but we lost them. No, Katie had one. I had something.
All right, what do you tell Nana and... Oh, that one's cool.
Oh.
Here, you hold this. What do you tell Nana and Dave?
Say